Hello, I'm Dr. Serge. I'm from Cuba, but I'm resident in Seychelles. I get the information about this wonderful preparation online. I was looking since a long time trying to have this kind of preparation, and finally I found a really nice place um, I was able to get all my expectation. The preparation was really good. All the conference, all the attention of the professors, teachers, everything was, in my opinion, really good. We did practice several times, several hours. They were very patient with us, with our trying to get skills, but the skill we will get it with the practice from now. Um, I think that, in my opinion, I would like to be longer the preparation to try to get more skills, but the practice should be give me that kind of things. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for your care, and I'm really happy. Okay.